Meaning of hunky-dory.
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 Hunky-dory. Hunky-dory is an informal English expression used to describe a situation that is satisfactory or going well. It originated in the United States in the mid-19th century and has since become a commonly used phrase around the world. The underlying meaning of hunky-dory is that everything is just fine and there are no problems or issues to worry about. People might use the expression to indicate that they are content with their current circumstances or to reassure someone else that things are under control. Overall, hunky-dory conveys a sense of comfort and ease.